To send money from Australia to Pakistan step by step, you first need to choose a reliable money transfer service. Options include banks, online money transfer providers, and money transfer operators. Each has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account if you do not already have one. This typically involves providing identification and contact information. For online services, you can usually sign up through their website or mobile app. After creating your account, you will need to add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information if you are transferring directly to their bank. Ensure the information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. Next, you will need to specify the amount you want to send and choose your payment method. Common options include bank transfer, credit or debit card, and cash. Be aware that different payment methods may have different fees and processing times. Before completing the transaction, review the transfer details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. This will help you understand the total cost and when the recipient can expect to receive the funds. Finally, confirm the transfer and wait for it to be processed. You will usually receive a confirmation email or message with a tracking number, allowing you to monitor the status of the transfer. The recipient will typically receive the funds within 1 to several business days, depending on the service and payment method used. It is also important to be aware of any regulations or restrictions on sending money from Australia to Pakistan. For example, there may be limits on the amount you can send, and you may need to provide additional documentation for large transfers. By following these steps and choosing a reputable money transfer service, you can send money from Australia to Pakistan quickly, securely, and with minimal hassle. Always prioritize the security of your transaction and the recipient's information to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.